Hello and welcome to Basic Spanish for OT, PT, and SLP clinicians. My name is Juanita and I will be your host. I am an occupational therapy assistant as well as the author of this book, Basic Spanish for OT, PT, and SLP clinicians in the acute hospital setting. This book, as well as the ebook, can be purchased on Amazon.com. I will leave a link in the channel so that you will be able to obtain a copy. If you don't have the book, you can follow along, but it would just make it much easier if you're able to follow along and you can see which pages I'm referencing. If you do have the book, today we will be focused on treatment words from page 54. Treatment words on page 54. So with that being said, as I always say, vamos a empezar. The first word, abnormal, for something to be not normal, abnormal. Anormal, anormal, anormal. Above, for something to be above. Encima de, encima de, encima de. Above knee amputation, above knee amputation. That would be amputación por encima de la rodilla. I will say that slowly. Amputación por encima de la rodilla. Last time, amputación por encima de la rodilla. Abuse, abuso, abuso, abuso. Accident, accidente, accidente, accidente. Ache, like to have a pain or an ache. Dolor, dolor, dolor. Activity, actividad, actividad, actividad. Adaptive equipment, equipo adaptivo, equipo adaptivo, equipo adaptivo. Addict, and I'll take you back to something that I've said before. Remember, adjective, something that describes the noun, you have to match it with the noun. So if the noun is feminine, the adjective has to be feminine. If the noun is masculine, the adjective has to be masculine. So if you're looking for the masculine form of addict, it would be adicto, adicto, adicto. If you're looking for the feminine form, adicta, adicta, adicta. The next one is an address, so where someone lives, their address. Dirección, dirección, dirección. The next word, administration, administración, administración, administración. To be afraid, miedo, miedo, miedo. After, before or after, so after. Después, después, después. The word again, to repeat something, again. Otra vez, otra vez, otra vez. Against medical advice. Contra el consejo médico. Contra el consejo médico. Contra el consejo médico. This one is a little hard for me because remember, I'm learning Spanish too. So some of the words I do have a hard time saying. So I'm going to get through this. You're going to get through this with me. So AIDS in English. autoimmune deficiency syndrome. So in Spanish, and that's where we get AIDS, autoimmune deficiency syndrome. So in Spanish, it's kind of a reverse of the way that we do it. It would be síndrome de deficiencia autoinmune. Okay, I'm going to say that again. Síndrome de deficiencia autoinmune. And the last time, síndrome de deficiencia autoinmune. So because of that, and I remember I said you have to laugh at yourself. If we're going to get better with this language, you've got to laugh at yourself. Even though AIDS is not funny, but AIDS would then turn to SIDA. So we have AIDS in this SIDA. AIDS is AIDS, SIDA, SI or SAIDA. So we'll move on. Air condition. Aire acondicionado. Aire acondicionado. Aire acondicionado. Alarm. Alarma. 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 The next one again, alcoholic. And again, you have to know if you're looking for the masculine or the feminine term. So for the masculine, alcohólico. 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 And if you want the feminine term, alcohólica. 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 And the last word, alert. So that's one of the things we do on all of our patients. Are they alert and oriented? So alert. Alerta. 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 So that is it. That is treatment words from page 54. Again, I'm making the videos. I'm at the 7-minute, 40-second mark. I'm trying to make the videos less than 10 minutes so you have an opportunity to listen, learn, repeat. Listen, learn, and repeat. So, gracias por venir. I'll see you in the next video. Adios.